Welcome to this comprehensive guide on understanding the fundamental differences between leadership and management. Throughout this video, we will explore how these two distinct roles function within organizations, why they are both critical, and how they work together to drive success. Whether you are an aspiring manager, business student, or professional looking to advance your career, understanding these concepts is essential. Let's begin our journey. Leadership is the ability to influence, inspire, and guide people toward a shared vision and common goals. A leader creates direction and motivates others to follow that direction. The primary focus of leadership is on vision and inspiration. Leaders are forward-thinking individuals who drive change and innovation within their organizations. They work to bring out the best in people through motivation, trust, and strategic direction. Management is the process of organizing, planning, controlling, and coordinating resources to achieve specific organizational objectives efficiently. A manager ensures that tasks are completed on time, within budget, and according to specifications. The primary focus of management is on execution and order. Managers maintain systems and processes that keep the organization running smoothly. They direct work through authority and control mechanisms to achieve operational goals. Leaders and managers have fundamentally different focuses. Leaders concentrate on long-term strategic vision and inspiring change, while managers focus on short-term operational goals and maintaining systems. Leaders inspire change and innovation by influencing through trust and vision. Managers maintain existing systems and processes through structured direction and control. Leaders think about where the organization should go in the future. Managers ensure the organization runs efficiently in the present. These different perspectives create a healthy balance within organizations. The way leaders and managers interact with people differs significantly. Leaders empower and motivate their teams, using inspirational communication to share their vision and get people excited about possibilities. They embrace change and actively drive innovation. Managers direct and supervise their teams with clear, task-focused communication. Their approach to change is to manage resistance and help teams adapt to new circumstances. Leaders make collaborative decisions, considering the long-term impact. Managers make data-driven decisions focused on immediate results and measurable outcomes. Successful leaders need skills such as vision creation, emotional intelligence, mentoring abilities, and the capacity to motivate others. Effective managers require planning skills, budgeting expertise, delegation abilities, and strong problem-solving capabilities. Both roles demand excellent interpersonal skills, including communication, active listening, and conflict resolution. Additionally, both must possess strong decision-making abilities involving critical thinking, analysis, accountability, and ethical judgment. These complementary skill sets enable organizations to function effectively. Let's look at practical examples. In the first scenario, a chief executive officer creates a vision for digital transformation and inspires the entire organization to embrace innovation and new ways of working. This is leadership in action. In the second scenario, a project manager develops timelines, allocates resources, monitors progress, and ensures the digital transformation project stays on schedule. This is management in action. Another example of leadership is when a mentor coaches an employee toward career growth, building confidence and helping them see their potential. An example of management is when a supervisor assigns tasks, tracks completion, evaluates performance, and addresses issues to ensure departmental targets are met. Organizations thrive when they have both strong leadership and effective management working in synergy. Leadership provides vision and direction, while management ensures efficient execution and delivery of that vision. Leadership drives innovation and growth, while management maintains operational stability and controls risks. Leaders inspire and motivate people toward possibilities, while managers organize and structure work for maximum productivity. Without leadership, organizations have no direction or sense of purpose. Without management, organizations lack the structure and efficiency to execute their plans. The combination of visionary leadership and effective management creates organizations that can achieve extraordinary results. Remember this critical principle: leadership without management leads to chaos. You have inspiring visions and motivated people, but nothing gets executed properly. Management without leadership leads to stagnation. You have efficient operations, but no purpose or direction for growth. The key to organizational success is finding the right balance between these two roles. Great leaders develop management skills, and great managers cultivate leadership qualities. Whether you aspire to be a leader, a manager, or both, understanding and developing both sets of competencies will make you invaluable to any organization. Thank you for watching this exploration of leadership versus management.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.